Okay, on the breadboard, what I have is an ESP8266, 74HC595 shift registers, 40 LEDs, and 5 10K resistor arrays connected up with a whole mess of wires. So I really like having resistor arrays on the breadboard because they look nice and clean. They're mainly there to keep the LEDs dim because I don't like looking at the bright LEDs while I'm trying to figure out how to make everything work, and also to reduce the amount of current being drawn by the entire circuit, which including the ESP8266 is about 110 milliamps. So the ESP8266 is currently in access point mode, so it's broadcasting its own wireless SSID that I'm connected to with my laptop. And on the laptop, you can see the home page that's hosted by the ESP8266. That is a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I can go through and start turning off each one of the individual bits, and you can see on the board that the LED has turned off. So if I turn off these first 4 bits of the first nibble of the first byte, the first 4 LEDs are now off. You can see that represented up here by this hexadecimal value where the first nibble is now a 0. If I turn off all of these bits in the first byte, which is the first 74HC595 shift register, the first 8 LEDs are off, and you can see that the first 2 values of this hexadecimal string are now zeros. If I want to turn off the last nibble and make that last F turn into a 0, I can turn those off. I can also turn off some of the LEDs here in the middle. So that's pretty much what it does. I can turn off and on a bunch of LEDs wirelessly from my laptop using the ESP8266.